Hello everyone, this is Pratibha here. Today we're going to talk about what is cryptocurrency in a very simplistic manner. So we're going to try to understand cryptocurrency as a beginner. We're going to talk about the basics of cryptocurrency. So let us begin. Now, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is typically decentralized digital money designed to be used over the internet. It is based on blockchain technology and secured by cryptography. To understand cryptocurrency, one needs to first understand three terminologies. One is the blockchain, number two, decentralization, and number three, cryptography. Now, what is blockchain? Blockchain in the context of cryptocurrency is a digital ledger whose access is distributed among authorized users. This ledger records transactions related to a range of assets like, say, money, house, or even intellectual property. The access is shared between its users, and any information shared is transparent, immediate, and immutable. Immutable means anything that blockchain records is there for good and cannot be modified or tampered with, even by an administrator. Centralized money refers to the regular money that we use, which is governed by authorities like the Reserve Bank of India. Decentralization in cryptocurrency hence means that there is no similar authority that can be held responsible for supervising the rise and fall of a particular cryptocurrency. So this has many benefits over centralized money. Now, cryptography is the method that secures data from unauthorized access by the use of encryption techniques. Most of the claims that blockchain makes, like privacy and immutability, are enabled through cryptography. To summarize it systematically, a cryptocurrency or crypto is a digital asset that can circulate without the need for a central monetary authority such as a government or bank. Instead, cryptocurrencies are created using cryptographic techniques that enable people to buy, sell, or trade them securely. Bitcoin and most other cryptocurrencies are supported by this blockchain technology, which maintains a tamper-resistant record of transactions and keeps track of who owns what. The creation of blockchains addressed a problem faced by previous efforts to create purely digital currencies, hence preventing people from making copies of their holdings and attempting to spend them twice. Individual units of cryptocurrencies can be referred to as coins or tokens, depending on how they are used. Some are intended to be units of exchange for goods and services, others are stores of value, and some are mostly designed to help run computer networks that carry out more complex financial transactions. The roots of cryptocurrency technology can be traced back to the 1980s with the invention of what is called the blinding algorithm. The algorithm is all about secure and immutable digital transactions. It remains fundamental to the modern day digital currency. So, in 2008, a group of people, currently known under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, created the guiding principles of the first and leading cryptocurrency in the market today, the Bitcoin. In 2009, Bitcoin was launched to the world, but it would be years before it was formally recognized as a means of payment among leading merchants, starting with WordPress in 2012. The underlying blockchain technology is today used in banking, insurance, and other business sectors. growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 12.8%. The cryptocurrency market is estimated to reach 4.94 billion by 2030, thanks to the need to improve the efficiency of today's payment systems, rise in global remittances, and increased need to secure data. Now let us talk about how does cryptocurrency work. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by the government or central regulatory authorities. As a concept, cryptocurrency works outside of the banking system using different brands or types of coins, Bitcoin being the major player. So I'll go through them serially on how does cryptocurrency work. So number one is mining. So cryptocurrencies, which are completely digital, are generated through a process called mining. This is a complex process. Basically, miners are required to solve certain mathematical puzzles over specially equipped computer systems to be rewarded with bitcoins in exchange. In an ideal world, it would take a person just 10 minutes to mine one bitcoin, but in reality, the process takes an estimated 30 days. Then number two, buying, selling, and storing. Users today can buy cryptocurrencies from central exchanges, brokers, and individual currency owners, or sell it to them. Exchanges or platforms like Coinbase are the easiest way to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. So once bought, cryptocurrencies can be stored in digital wallets. Digital wallets can be hot or cold. Hot means the wallet is connected to the internet, which makes it easy to transact, but again vulnerable to thefts and frauds. Cold storage, on the other hand, is safer, but it makes it harder to transact. Then number three, transacting or investing. So cryptocurrencies like bitcoins can be easily transferred from one digital wallet to another using only a smartphone. Once you owe them, your choices are to A. Use them to buy goods or services, B. Trade in them, and C. Exchange them for cash. So if you're using a Bitcoin for purchases, the easiest way to do that is through debit card type transactions. You can also use these debit cards to withdraw cash just like an ATM. So converting cryptocurrency to cash is also possible using banking accounts or peer-to-peer transactions. Then let us talk about the types of cryptocurrencies. So there are tens of thousands of cryptocurrency available today, with a figure pegged at 10,000 in 2022. So major cryptocurrencies include the following. Number one is the Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin is the world's first widely accepted form of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is so popular that there was a time when its name was synonymous with cryptocurrency. But potential investors need to know Bitcoins have become very expensive. In 2021, the cost of one Bitcoin was $68,000. But the good news is, you don't always have to buy an entire coin. You can buy small fractions of it. Then number two is the altcoin. So altcoin is the term used for any alternative digital currency to Bitcoin. The most popular in this ecosystem is the Ethereum, one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies in the market. There is also a range of other altcoins in the market today, such as Lucky Block, Shiba Inu, and Terra. Then we have the crypto tokens. The concept of crypto coins vs tokens can be confusing to many. At first glance, coins and tokens appear the same. However, the two have many differences. Number one, coins can be mined, but tokens cannot be mined. Number two, coins are linked to blockchains, tokens are not. Number three, in terms of utility, They vary in the type of product or services they allow users to purchase. Then let us discuss on the burning topic now, which is should you invest in cryptocurrency? So there are many advantages to dealing in cryptocurrencies and a fair share of disadvantages as well. So here are the top reasons that work in favor of and against cryptocurrencies. First, let's talk about the advantages. So advantages are they are private and secure. So the blockchain technology that fuels cryptocurrencies ensures user anonymity. It also assures high level of security through cryptocurrency, which we discussed before. Number two, they are centralized, immutable, and transparent. The entire system functions on shared ownership where data is available to all permissioned members and is tamper proof. Then number three, they are a hedge against inflation. So cryptocurrency makes for a great investment in times of inflation. For example, investors often compare cryptocurrency to gold. One of the reasons behind this is that just like gold, they are limited in supply as there is a cap on mining any type of cryptocurrency. Disadvantages. So now let's talk about the disadvantages. So number one, they are not widely understood. They are a relatively new concept and the long-term sustainability of cryptocurrencies remains to be seen. Second disadvantage is that they are prone to high risk. Needless to say, cryptocurrencies bring in as many rewards as risk. The highly volatile and speculative nature makes them prone to sharp downward spirals. So investing in cryptocurrency can be risky for many reasons. So a major deterrent could be the fact that cryptocurrency seems to have no inherent or underlying value. There is a supply-demand type of equation which is used to determine the value of cryptos like bitcoins. Plus, it is easy to see how simple speculations over the internet can result in a substantial rise or loss of value of these coins. Also, the fact that cryptocurrencies are banned or their usage restricted in a lot of countries plays out a significant risk. Their legality is debatable in countries like India. Then the last disadvantage is scalability is a problem. So this is a complex issue which has more to do with the technology side of the blockchain. Simply put, the sluggish nature of the blockchain makes it prone to transaction delays. So this has a tendency to make crypto payments inefficient when compared to modern day electronic payment techniques. Then let us come to the last topic for this video, that is how to buy cryptocurrency safely. So buying cryptocurrencies securely involves 4 basic steps. Number 1, decide where to buy it. There are many ways to buy cryptocurrencies safely, though the most accessible method for beginners is likely to be a centralized exchange. Centralized exchanges act as the third party overseeing transactions to give customers confidence that they are getting what they pay for. So these exchanges typically sell crypto at market rates and they make money on fees for various aspects of their services. If you're more accustomed to traditional brokerage accounts, there are few online brokers that offer access to cryptocurrencies as well as stocks. Some of the online brokers are Robinhood, Webull, SoFi Active Investing, and TradeStation. If you're looking for an exchange that operates solely within the cryptocurrency world, look for pure play crypto exchanges. So these platforms such as Coinbase, Gemini, and Kraken won't give you access to core assets like stocks and bonds, but they typically have a much better selection of cryptocurrencies and more on platform crypto storage options. Though centralized exchanges are relatively easy to use, they can also be an attractive target for hackers given the volume of crypto that follows through them. Then, number two, choose how you'll pay. While there are thousands of cryptocurrency being traded around the world, you'll find that the most popular option are widely acceptable for purchase in fiat currencies such as the US dollar. If you're a first time buyer, you'll very likely have to use a regular money to buy cryptocurrency. If you're a more experienced investor, you may want to trade some of your existing crypto holdings for another type of cryptocurrency, for instance, the Bitcoin for Ethereum. Then, number three, add value to your account. So, depending on how you choose to pay, you may have to fund your account before purchasing any crypto. If you're using fiat currency, most exchanges allow debit and bank transfers. Some also allow you to fund a purchase with your credit card, though this can be a risky move with a volatile asset like cryptocurrency because interest costs can deepen your losses if your investments decline in value. Then, number four, you'll have to select a cryptocurrency. There are many options for cryptocurrency investors, though there are none that are likely to be right for everyone. Before you buy, ask yourself what your goals are for this investment. Are you hoping it will increase in value? Are you interested in carrying out transactions using cryptocurrency? Are you interested in using underlying technology via decentralized apps? So these may help you make your decision. So some of the widely circulated cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and some Bitcoin alternatives are Bitcoin, which is number one is Bitcoin, which is the first and most valuable currency. Number two is Ethereum. It is commonly used to carry out financial transactions more complex than those supported by Bitcoin. Then number three, Cardano is a competitor to Ethereum led by one of its co-founders. Number four, Solana is another competitor to Ethereum that emphasizes speed and cost effectiveness. Dogecoin in number five, which began as a joke but has grown to be among the most valuable cryptocurrencies. And last of all is stable coins, which are a class of cryptocurrencies whose values are designed to stay stable relative to real world assets such as the dollars. So with this we come to the end of the basics of cryptocurrency. Do let me know in the comments if this video helped you. I really tried to explain in a very simple basic manner. I will be coming again with more videos again on cryptocurrency or the blockchain technology. So stay tuned and see you next time. Bye bye.